Hello everyone, I am Chase, the Rocky Mountain ATV MC, giving you a closer look at the 5-point safety harness from Tusk. All right, so today we're taking a closer look at the 5-point safety harness coming from Tusk. For us, this is one of the best safety upgrades that people can make for their side-by-sides. When you're pushing these things to the limit, doing some aggressive riding, it's very important that the driver as well as the passengers, that they're secured as best as possible. So if you're looking for one that's gonna have really good construction, great price point, but also be approved by the SFI for UTV racing, well, this is one that you would want to consider. So we'll start with the top and then we'll work our way down. So you're gonna have 3-inch synthetic webbing. If you look at the shoulder straps here, these are adjustable. What's nice is that they each have a nice big pad that is sewn into those. 2 pockets. You're gonna have one that's water resistant. You're gonna have a mesh pocket, so you can put your cell phone, GPS, or even MP3 player in those. Sternum strap, nice big heavy duty buckle. Again, that's gonna be adjustable. If you look down here at the bottom, you've got your waist straps, and then also you've got your submarine. That's gonna be your 5th point. Now the benefit to the submarine strap that you're gonna have on a 5-point harness is that when you have those big impacts, what it does, it actually prevents the rider or the driver or the passenger from sliding down in the seat. It also helps prevent that waist strap from coming up the passenger or the driver's body. So that's why they call it a 5-point system. And again, this is what's going to be required if you can plan on doing any UTV racing. And this is also a Latching Link style system. So what that means is that your waist straps are gonna have the latch, and then you've got 3 links, your 2 shoulder straps, that submarine strap, and those are all gonna link together right down here. And what's great about this system is that once you have everything together, it does an incredible job of holding the passenger or the driver in place, but also very easy to get out of. Now the way you undo this is really simple. You got this red tab here, a little piece of Velcro on the back. So to release the whole system, all you're gonna do is just pull up on this. And by doing that, it releases everything, very easy to get out of. And the last thing that we're gonna cover is gonna be install. Now install is pretty straightforward. It shouldn't take you very long. It's gonna come with instructions, so just make sure you follow those. But if you do have questions about that, you can comment below, give us a call, or chat live online. We'll get those answered for you. But no drilling, no modifications gonna be required. Now, one thing I will point out is that with these shoulder straps, okay, every machine's gonna be a little bit different. As you can see with this Can-Am, that it has holes that are cut into the factory seats. So the shoulder straps are mounted to the bar behind the seat, and then they come through those holes. If you had a seat that does not have holes cut out, okay, it's not a huge deal. You would still mount it to the bar, but then the shoulder straps are just gonna come up and over the seat and over the passenger's shoulders. Now for machines that have a seatbelt restriction mode, now the driver's side harness, that's gonna come with a seatbelt override clip. Now that's just gonna be a simple plug-in installation. But that is it. That is the 5-point harness coming from Tusk. Again, really good construction, great price point, and it's going to be approved by the SFI for UTV racing. Make sure you guys comment below if you do have any questions to pick yours up. You can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. These are gonna ship for free, all orders over $75 due. If you guys like this product spotlight video and you wanna see more like it, well, you just gotta make sure you click and subscribe. I'm Chase the Rocky Mountain, and see you on the trails.